Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you would hit that subscribe button and the like, I would really appreciate it. Today we're doing an ultimate clean with me with some carpet cleaning, and you guys will not believe how much gunk I get out of my carpet. But my dog did have a little bit of diarrhea the other night, so I did need to kind of give my carpets a good deep clean instead of spot treating. But as I always do, I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys my quote of the day. And that quote is, "A house is the treasure chest of the living." I thought that was very fitting for the cleaning channel, and also just, we're making a house a home, and I love homemaking, and I'm sure all of you do too. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it.
I've been chasing you like the tail of a dog. I don't get no sleep when we kiss in the dark like we do. I just love the way it feels. Yeah, I know it's bad, but I can't resist. When I look in your eyes, I don't know what is real. All I know is that I could go anywhere as long as you're with me. Oh, I'm drunk and I know it, but I got you close and kinda hoping that one day we'll get the rhythm of it. Yeah, 'cause no one knows if we're just jumping out the window, trying to cling on to it. You got me holding on to something I know I can burn me down, but I don't care about it, 'cause I got you.
Now moving into the kitchen, I'm starting on this pan that had a little bit of like scrambled eggs in it. It's supposed to be ceramic and non-stick, but that is not the case. So I'm just gonna let it soak while I empty the dishwasher. But I have found in a stainless steel pan, it's super non-stick. So that's actually how I like to make my scrambled eggs now. They just slide right out and there's nothing stuck on them, which is interesting. But once you learn how to cook on stainless steel, it's a game changer. I recommend it to everyone now.
You got me holding on to something I know I can burn me down, but I don't care about it, 'cause I got you close and kinda hoping that one day we'll get the rhythm of it.
When I look at you like that, you lose it completely. Losing track of space and time. I don't wanna go home looking for a reason to stay here all night. I wonder, do you feel it too? Magic between me and you, the way that you make me feel. You wonder if I feel the same, the blood's rushing through your veins. And then when I say your name, bet I'm everything you see. Bet I'm everything you need. We're high on this feeling, don't wanna come down. Just go on and tell me, get into my eyes. I'm everything you need. You need. I'm everything you need. usually don't share any secrets. Suddenly you're an open book. When I struggle to find the words, you get me completely. It's like I've known you forever, so I wonder, do you feel it too? Magic between me and you, the way that you make me feel. You wonder if I feel the same, the blood's rushing through your veins. And then when I say your name, bet I'm everything you see. Bet I'm everything you need. We're high on this feeling, don't wanna come down. Just go on and tell me, get into my eyes. I'm everything you need. You need. I'm everything you need. I'm everything you need. I'm everything you need. I'm everything you need. You need. I'm everything you need. Bet I'm everything you see. Bet I'm everything you need. We're high on this feeling, don't wanna come down. Just go on and tell me, get into my eyes. I'm everything you see. Bet I'm everything you need. We're high on this feeling.
Now we're gonna end the video on some laundry. You will see me looking at some leggings. I'm just looking for holes because there is one pair I do have a hole in. But that's all that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and a like. That really helps me out. And I'll see you guys in the next one.